Customarily, we go out looking for stories. We just drive around until we see something that sparks our curiosity. But on one occasion this year, we were having lunch at Cockroach Bay, right?
Cockroach Bay, and as it turned out, it was one of the better lunches we've had because we never got to finish the meal.
Right.
Easily. We were sitting there having lunch, and we look out and we see an elderly couple, and as it turned out, this was, well, their first cruise.
Mm-hmm. And here's what it looked like on TV.
Howdy.
Rev and Pearl Thomas pulled up to Cockroach Bay the other day to try out their new boat. It wasn't very big, but even after 47 years of marriage, it wasn't too small.
And this is only weighs 35 pounds. Okay. There. We like to go to the island. I like to shell. And he likes to fish, so between us, we do both.
She's pretty good. Yeah. What's she? Considering everything. Considering her age, and she's mean. She's mean. You don't know where you are, you're in the wrong place. Turn around and face that way and put it there.
Well, I want to watch where you're going.
Now, you just do as you're told, and everything will be fine. Otherwise, you're in trouble.
Somebody's in trouble, but it ain't going to be me.
We've been married about 47 years.
You're asking. He knows everything.
I know it all. She don't know anything. It works out.
Anything I can't stand's a smart aleck. There he is. We've been together too long. I don't think we'd make it if we were separated.
Rev and Pearl Thomas with a lesson about life in 8 country.